Hey there, folks! Today, I've got something pretty cool to share. A fresh money-making method that lets you pocket 20 cents for each video you watch. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First things first, hop on over to the Givey Videos app. It's where the magic happens and you'll get paid real cash for your video watching skills. Check out the links in the description below to find the app easily. Now let's break down how this Givey Videos thing actually works. Once you're all signed up, you'll land on the Suggested tab. This is your playground for earning coins by watching videos. And guess what? You can search for stuff that genuinely interests you. This isn't just about random videos. You're getting rewarded for watching content you actually like. Next up, we've got the Playlist tab. If you're the organized type who loves creating playlists for your videos, this is your jam. Super handy for planning your video watching strategy. Just hit Create Playlist, give it a name, and toss in the videos from the Suggested tab. Now brace yourself for the juicy part, the Cash Out tab. Givey Videos gives you a bunch of ways to cash out your earnings. We're talking Coinbase, RTM, Payer, Perfect Money, ADP Cash, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and Litecoin. I'm personally all about Coinbase. But hey, drop a comment letting me know your payment method fave, and I might whip up some videos about it. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty of my own earnings with Givey Videos. As you get rolling, you'll notice ads popping up quite frequently. They are essential to keep the platform going and reward folks like you. Watch out for the gift icon at the top right. Click it, watch an ad, and score coins instantly. This opportunity shows up around every 45 seconds. My personal take? I managed to rack up 1,100 to 4,000 coins in a quick 1 to 2 minutes, just by scrolling and hitting up videos. Keep in mind, actively watching videos can crank up your coin count even more. After an hour of dedicated watching, you could hit the cash out mark. You're looking at around 19 cents as the minimum payout, so it doesn't take long to pile up those earnings. Now here's the pro tip. Let longer YouTube videos play like you're binging a show. Let them run in the background while you get stuff done. Givey Videos won't make you a millionaire, but it's a legit and easy way to make some bucks while enjoying videos. Time to check out the offers section. It's your chance to grab even more coins. Surveys, tasks, you name it, they've got it. Rates might vary based on where you're at, so it's a good option if you're giving the video watching a breather. And let's wrap it up with the cash out process. In my case, I spend about an hour watching videos to snag up that 20 cents. Might not sound like a lot, but remember, this was pure video watching. No extra sweat. And the cash out process? Super straightforward. I linked up my Coinbase account and got an instant Bitcoin payout. If you're a PayPal fan, expect the dough in 2 to 3 days. As of now, Givey Videos is the real deal. Bottom line, Givey Videos is a quirky way to turn your video watching into cash. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a breeze to make some extra dough. Curious? Give it a shot and see how it jives with you. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!